So, hello students. Let's come to another type of system software, which is device driver. The device drivers and the device programs or the system software that act as an interface between the various input output devices and the users or the operating system. Device drivers are also a program, are also a system software, which is a act as an interface between the input output devices and the users. The interaction between input output devices and users and an operating system, how the users are interacting with input output devices and an operating system. So this is an program which provide an interface. For example, the printers, web cameras come with the driver disk that is needed to be installed in the system to make the device run in the system. Printers के लिए driver होता है and web cameras also have a driver which needed to be installed into a system. System में installed होना चाहिए. Then our printers and web cameras will be work to make the device run in the system, जिससे कि हमारे सिस्टम में ये जो ड्राइवर्स इंस्टॉल्ड हैं वो प्रॉपरली वर्क कर सकें. प्रिंटर तभी वर्क करेगा जब उसका सॉफ्टवेयर हमारे सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल्ड होगा. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज ड्राइवर. The purpose of device drivers is to allow smooth functioning of the hardware for which it is created and to allow it to be used with different operating systems. Let's come to another type of system software, which is BIOS. It stands for Basic Input Output System and is a small firmware that controls the peripheral or input output devices attached to the system. BIOS full form is Basic Input Output System. It controls our peripheral or input output devices. Input output devices means all the hardware devices which are attached to our computers is known as peripheral devices. BIOS controls all these devices. How they are attached is आप जब भी आपका माउस वर्क नहीं करता या आप पुल आउट कर देते हो उसको या पुट इन करते हो, आप उसमें अटैच कर देते हो, देयर विल बी अ मैसेज इंडिकेट्स योर हार्डवेयर इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग और योर हार्डवेयर इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग. सो दीज ऑल कंट्रोल्स आर controlled by BIOS. This software is also responsible for starting the OS or initiating the booting process. You know that when you switch on your computer, you already seen that there is a booting process installed. Then your computer home screen will be appear. So these all booting process are who will responsible? This software is responsible for starting our booting process. When BIOS boots up your computer, it first determines whether all of the attachments are in place and operationals, and then it loads the operating system into your computer RAM. When BIOS boots up, जब बूटिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है, इट फर्स्ट डिटरमाइंस ऑल आवर अटैचमेंट्स, इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस और पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस आर अटैच्ड इन प्लेस, करेक्ट प्लेस and operationals, and then it loads. After that it loads. If all these devices are properly working, then it loads our operating system into our computer in the RAM. RAM is memory. कहाँ पे हमारा लोड होता है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? RAM में, फ्रॉम योर हार्ड डिस्क और डिस्केट ड्राइव. BIOS is the configuration interface which loads first when the computer is powered up and is going through power on self test. So these all about types of system software.